Il-kap tal-Partit Nazzjonalista Adrian Delija akkuża deputati nazzjonalisti li qegħdin joħorġu informazzjoni skorretta kontrih. F'intervista mimlija botti fil-konfront tal-eks kap nazzjonalista Simon Busuttil, Delija qal li hemm nies fil-partit li ma jridux jitilqu l-poter minn idejhom u għadhom ma jridux jaċċettawh.
From some who have not actually decided to resign the power that they themselves had beforehand, yes, there seems to be an issue. Like anyone who thought that being there for a number of years and actually having a right to stay there and impose their position. No, that is.
Are you referring to Simon Busuttil here?
No, I'm not.
Dwar l-elezzjonijiet tal-Parlament Ewropew, Adrian Delija tenna li se jibqem ikun xi jkun ir-riżultat.
I am confident that I will go ahead regardless. That's the point. So my message
Even if you lose by more than 40,000.
Again, it's not the numbers.
Mistoqsi dwar il-laqat tal-grupp parlamentari, Delija qal li l-informazzjoni li jingħata l-ġurnalist hija skorretta u akkuża lil deputati nazzjonalisti b'intenzjoni ħażina.
Those sources are giving you incorrect information. I would be very happy to meet those sources, and obviously...
No, I can't reveal my sources.
But if they are MPs who have intents which are not good intents.
Saħansitra akkuża lil Busuttil li taħtu id-deċiżjonijiet kienu jittieħdu minn qabel.
And I'm also informed that before the parliamentary group used to meet for a few sessions where whatever had to be decided would have been decided beforehand.
Mistoqsi kemmu differenti minn Busuttil li jastjena fil-vot dwar it-tħul tal-liġi tal-Unjoni Ċivili, il-kap nazzjonalista qal li huwa aktar konservattiv minnu.
I think Simon is more liberal than I am, and I am more conservative.
Mistoqsi mill-ġurnalista raġuni li għali għan-nies m'għandhomx fiduċja fih, Delija akkuża lin-nies li qegħdin jaraw biss sal-ponta ta' mneħirhom u mhux iħarsu fit-tul.
Most people are looking at the gain that they are getting tomorrow and the day after tomorrow rather than at the long-term plan for the country.
Saħansitra kritika r-rata li bija qed tikber l-ekonomija ta' pajjiżna u qal li għandna nwaqfu dan ir-ritmu ekonomiku.
And our economy is overheating. We need to take stock. We need to take one step back